Oh, jeez.
I think Guy's got a tactic. He gets him a little tired and then he gets to playing. He's a smart dog.
Oh, Mo likes him.
That's the way he is at the dog park.
Yeah,
And he just goes out and he just lopes along with
Yep.
them, and all of a sudden,
just kind of tests their speed, gets him a little tired. Here we go.
Wow. I lost him on the camera. He's so fast.
Okay, boys, let me show you.
He's like a jackrabbit. Oh my gosh. I think his feet are on fire. Wow.